Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to JUENFO Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some beetroot, apple and ginger juice. So for my beet and apple juice, I will be using Jamaican apples, Otaheite apples, rose apples, or whatever apple you may know it as. And these are actually found throughout the Caribbean, not only in Jamaica. Now it's apple season and I have 2 large trees in my backyard, and when these apple trees start to bear, you have apples galore. If you know, you know. Every recipe seems to only use American apples, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. If you have access to these type of apples, I just wanted to show you guys that you can use them to make a very delicious, refreshing and healthy drink as well. Everything is already washed and I'm not going to be peeling my apples. The only thing that I'm going to be peeling are my beets and ginger, which is really optional. You can actually juice these with the skins on, just make sure that you wash it thoroughly. So I actually went ahead and peeled my ginger off camera, and I'm going to be using some gloves to peel these because, as you know, beetroot stains quite a bit. I'm also going to be slicing my ginger up a little bit thinner. And for my apples, I'm just going to cut the top off like this. Cut them in quarters, remove the seed and remove this part as well. Alright, so we have finished prepping everything, and now we're gonna start the fun part. Now, beetroot has many amazing health benefits. It's known as a superfood because of its many health benefits. What I particularly love about beetroot is that it is rich in iron and helps a lot with anemia. I also love that it gives me a lot of energy. Sometimes my energy levels get really low, and I definitely feel a difference when I drink beetroot. I power through my workout so much better. Quick disclaimer though, I'm not a health professional, I'm just speaking off of personal experience and from my own research. So I encourage you to do your research as well to see the many other benefits that it has. Now, one of the things that a lot of people don't like about beetroot, including myself, is the strong earthy taste that it has. That is why it's good to juice it with fruits, in this case the apples. It completely gets rid of that. The apples are also rich in vitamin C, which helps a lot with iron absorption, and ginger is good for inflammation and helps the body to get rid of mucus. The juicer that I'm using here I bought on Amazon. It's not the best, but it gets the job done well enough considering the price. I did a review on it in this video here, so if you need more details you can watch the video, and I'll leave a link to purchase in the description, and the juice recipe will be there as well. So this is by far my favorite juice. It was so delicious with the Otaheite apples. I encourage you guys to try this combination, especially if you have a lot of apples like me. Check out these other juice recipes that I have here on the channel, and there's lots more to come. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes I upload weekly. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.